So thanks very much. So I'm not going to speak too long, and you've probably heard a lot of things about open automation, digital transformation, industrial Internet of Things, analytics. But with this session, what I actually want to do is I want to take things down to a very, very specific level and look at use cases for something that's emerging called industrial process analytics. ARC is very focused on the process, as you know. So my background is process, so many of the things that I talk about are going to be things that you would typically see in industrial processes. If I think about the life of a process engineer today, when they walk into a plant, the number one tool that we give them is a historian desktop. And we've been saving pieces of information, 1-minute snapshots or faster in certain industries. We've been saving this information in time series data. But many of our research studies actually tells us that we're not getting the value out of that information that's in historians. If you're a maintenance person and you walk into a plant or a facility, or if your assets are distributed geographically, your maintenance person, you're frustrated because you don't have the tools to predict outcomes and when machines will actually break. So the reason why this session is important as an emerging technology in the market, we think, is because we have the tools and the ability now to finally predict incidents that are impacting the process or incidents that are causing machines to break. So this is what we call industrial process analytics, and we think it's a really important emerging technology. We've seen fit-for-purpose technologies that bolt onto historians on premise, that don't require a data scientist, are easily scalable. And we see solutions where, on the IT side, IT are grabbing all of the information from that process and they're moving it into distributed computing architectures at the IT side using technologies like Hadoop. And they're doing this to do analytics at the business level. So this session is going to highlight process analytics. It's going to be focused more on the on-premise, the non-data scientist use of industrial process analytics.